What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. We are the Motormates.
Is a
And today we are going to be doing a brake booster on this 91 YJ.
That's right. And this is all the tools we need. This is going to be real simple. We've never done one though on a Jeep. So just like anything, this is all brand new to us. We're going to start these guys. Those are going to be a 9/16, which that is already conveniently set up.
Oh, this? Oh, okay.
Okay, and then this back guy. Well, other side. Whoa! Jesus. Now you gotta get off these 4 bolts. One here, and then below.
Make a beat. Now I just have to do a wrap. Changing this brake booster. It ain't no thing. We're just gonna get it. And do it. And get it. Isn't that what they do to this for pizza? And do it.
Get it.
All day.
Every day. I don't think that one word rhymes.
I don't think so either. I'm definitely not a rapper. This thing hasn't moved the whole time I've been doing this.
Are you even on it?
Yeah, I'm literally holding it there. Nothing's happening.
Uh-oh. Oh no, it's coming.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, you're almost.
Real slow.
Yeah, you're just quarter turn at a time. You're almost off. What you want to do is pull your master cylinder off. Okay, now go ahead and pull off your booster.
Ow.
Did that get you?
Yeah.
Ow!
That's karma.
Karma. Okay. Get her off. So we're changing this because this is blown, by the way. The diaphragm inside.
It's not coming out any further.
Huh. Oh yeah, duh, it's gotta go to your brake pedal. Geez, Carrie, I thought you knew how brakes work. Oh, look at this little doohickey. That is a... That's a funky clip.
I think you need to pull your shorts out of your butthole.
Are they riding up there?
Yeah.
Real nicely like?
Oh, Miller, look at your eyes.
Huh. The Jeep dudes right now are just shaking their head. Yeah, they could suck it. That's gotta come. Let me get some needle noses. I think I see how it comes off.
While Danny does that, I just want to let you guys know that Miller here decided to go on the run the other day, yesterday morning specifically, and we had to go look for him. He was in the middle of the field out there just roaming around. Isn't that right, Miller? Did you do that?
Like that. Yeah, you're gonna have to kind of force her. Get this up like that. Yep. Let's just use the factory pinch nuts. I don't like these. These grooves are supposed to like dig into the metal and tighten it, and that's what holds it. But man, pinch nuts.
You heard the guy. Me.
And these bad boys, these are Huskies. Got them 25 bucks. From Home Depot, standard and metric. And they work great. Well, brake booster's on.
What's next, babe?
Master cylinder. We're gonna do this because she's got squishy pedal, and I believe what's happening is the fluid is bypassing internally.
Wrench me.
Flare nuts. One's 1/2 inch, one's 7/16. Other way, you're tightening.
Oh my lord.
Elbow buster. Eve.
Oh, I can't do that. That's way too tight. Oh.
There you go.
For video purposes. Oh! Okay, really, it's not moving still. Oh, it's already leaking shit. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's just brake fluid. If you were to use an open end of a box wrench, or the box end of a wrench, and you try to break that, if you got good wrenches, it might, you know, break it, but there's a good chance you'll round it. So that's why you use line wrenches. So you don't round it. See like how tight they are? That wrench could slip, and then you round the nut, then you're effed. Nice thing about Jeeps, you got a workbench.
Yeah.
Okay.
Especially tore up Jeeps.
There she is.
There she is.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go bench bleed the new one. So Carrie's gonna learn how to bench bleed today.
Yes, I am.
We got our massive cylinder in our Polish vise. It is, seriously.
To our one Polish viewer.
Yes. Pop off.
Back there too?
Yep. Now that she's got her fluid in the master cylinder, she's gonna take this punch. She's gonna shove it up her ass.
I was gonna shove it up your ass.
No, but you are gonna stick it in that tiny little hole. Okay.
God.
Okay, you only want to go in about
Just the tip?
just the tip, just like an inch. You know, an inch is about that.
Right. Okay.
And then what you're gonna notice is when you push it in, you're gonna see bubbles start to come up. Okay, and then just back off slowly.
Like keep going?
Yeah, you're just gonna slowly do that.
Oh.
Go in slow, come out slow. There you go. Oh, keep going. It's like a
Okay.
Is that not YouTube friendly?
No, that's not anybody friendly. Unless it's the whispering one.
South Park.
Yeah.
The Road Warrior.
We can do the Road Warrior.
Road warrior.
Soon.
Lucius.
Oh my god.
Soon, my dog of war.
Soon, my dog of war, but we have to do it my way.
Well, if that's not sexual, I don't know what is.
It feels wrong in like every way. Oh. Oh.
That's okay. You go.
Oh.
We might have to add a little more.
It's like Old Faithful over here. We got a squirter.
God. This episode is definitely not for kids.
I don't think any of our stuff is. You should put more in there. It's just fling it out. Rock the boat. Rock the
So
boat.
there's no more bubbles.
Work the middle.
Isn't mechanics fun?
What is this even doing?
It's charging the cylinder down here. It's getting all the air out of it.
Oh, okay. Oh.
And then what you can do to try to help some of the air come out, you can tap.
Well,
Actually, you don't want to tap the reservoir. The reservoir's
Here.
doing nothing. Jesus, you want to tap the cylinder. I'm over here tapping the reservoir like that's gonna do anything.
let's tip.
You want to
Tap your little heart out.
you want to tap the cylinder.
I was choking on my spit. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Oh, you don't have to use emotion. No.
Yeah, you don't want to bottom the cylinder out either. You don't want to shove it
Too far in there.
or the piston. Sorry. For you YouTube mechanics out there, that if you say anything wrong, you eat us alive. If you get impatient and you don't do this and you go to put it back on the car and there's an air bubble in the system, you'll have a squishy pedal.
That's not good.
Yeah.
So we're trying to get rid of, so we don't want to do that.
Yes, this is an important step. No, we pump.
See, it was the motion.
We pump the air out of her.
Oh, that almost got you in
Almost
the
just
eye.
got money shot it.
I would have really laughed.
Got it. Almost took me back to college.
Oh, shush.
Sorry, Mom. Not safe for children or moms.
Yeah.
There we go. She's out now.
Unfortunately for Danny's mom, she writes all of our descriptions. So she has to watch the videos. Shout out to Diane.
It's alright. Now look, there's no more. No more bubble, so we're good. So what we're gonna do, oh, one just came out. Let's let it sit a minute. Yeah, we're gonna let it sit a minute. Do a couple more nice, just steady thrusts. Put our lid on, and then we'll meet you guys back at the Jeep.
Alright, so now that we bench bled this, we're gonna go ahead and get it installed.
We left the plugs in it. You don't want to take those out yet. Just make sure you get your shaft in your hole.
Sorry.
The shaft always has to go in the hole.
It's the first time that's been my job. Nuts and shafts.
There we go. Perfect.
You guys like how he always uses the power tools and gets to do all the easy things?
Sure. We'll go with that. We're gonna come back and check that by hand. Now, I guess since I'm already here, I'll just do this.
I like it.
And we'll start with you.
Oh, Miller, you get that bug.
Is that what he?
Yeah, you hear him chomp.
Yeah. Let's make sure we got no dirt on this. We want no dirt in this system.
No dirt. Reminded me of no candy.
We got no candy for you. No candy. Anybody know what that's from?
In the comments.
Let us know.
We're not saying anything.
I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I'm a pretty big movie buff. Comedy, so.
Even though that's not a movie.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, no
Oh,
candy
it
for
is
you.
a-
Yeah, no
I thought that
candy.
was from the show.
If you want honesty, I can't even remember what movie that is.
Are you f***ing with me?
Yeah, no.
It's
Oh, okay, it is a show.
Yeah.
Ah.
I got two.
When the right hook comes out, crazy motherfuckers like you get knocked out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, you guys gotta know what that is now. I don't mind working on people's stuff, but I'd rather work on my stuff. I got tons of stuff to do.
Yeah.
No time. Got a bunch of neat stuff to do too. You guys will never ever know. Because I'll never know either. Now we just gotta bleed the brakes, so we're gonna do that now. So Carrie's gonna be in the Jeep, pushing on the pedal. I'm gonna be under there bleeding them. Now, when you bleed the brakes, you always start with the furthest corner away from the cylinder. So that's gonna be the passenger side. Give me a 3 pump and hold.
The pedal's like not getting any stiffer.
Well, yeah, we got a lot of air.
Oh.
While you're doing this, you want to check your fluid in your reservoir because you do not want to run it out, because if you do, you got to restart this whole process because you just let air in the system. Now that the brakes are bled, the pedal's nice and hard, that's gonna do it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. This Jeep is going back to my sister now.
Right. Can you say bye? Bye. Bye.